In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resume past chat in Claude Code CLI. If you've ever closed your terminal or stepped away from a task and later needed to pick up exactly where you left off, this is the cleanest way to get back into a previous conversation with Claude without missing a beat. Start by opening your terminal. This can be any terminal app you use regularly. Once you're in, type Claude and press enter. That launches the Claude Code CLI so you can interact with it directly from the command line. After the CLI opens, type resume and press enter. This command brings up a list of your recent sessions. Think of each session as a separate chat thread or workspace tied to a particular task or project. You'll now see a session picker that lists what you've been working on. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to move through the list. As you highlight each session, you're simply selecting which conversation you want to resume. When you've found the one you want, press enter to reopen it, and you'll be right back in that context, ready to continue. If you have a lot of sessions and scrolling isn't cutting it, there are some helpful shortcuts. Press Ctrl+A to show all projects, which is great if the list seems limited or filtered. Press Ctrl+B to toggle the branch view, which can be especially useful if your sessions are organized by branches in a version-controlled project and you want to filter by the branch you are using. Need to confirm you've got the right one before jumping in? Press Ctrl+V to preview a session. This lets you glance at its content so you don't accidentally resume the wrong thread. If you notice a session has an unhelpful name, press Ctrl+ to rename it. Giving sessions clear, descriptive names now will save you time the next time you use /resume. You'll also see a search bar at the top. If you remember any keywords from the conversation, like a file name, a task, or a topic, start typing and the list will filter to match, making it much faster to find the exact session you need. Once you've located the right session, press enter. That's it. You're back inside that chat with the full history intact, so you can continue your work seamlessly. Using resume along with the arrow keys, search, and those handy shortcuts will make navigating past chats quick and reliable every time you return to the CLI.